Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you the feature of deposit authorization. So the first thing we need to know is that usually you are able to send XRP to any account you want to. So for example, if you know your account address, I am able to send you XRP if you would like that, or if you even don't, if you would for example not like that, you can't do anything about it until you enable deposit authorization. So to quickly illustrate that, I'm going to show it off. We're going to have two accounts. So we're going to have account 1, obviously, and account 2. So we're going to start off with that here. So let's also color them quickly so everything looks more fun. And account 1 is now going to send XRP to account 2. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Testnet, generate the first tested credentials, and copy the secrets. So I've got the first account now, and I'm also going to add a second one, and again, and I also am going to save the secrets because I always lose them. Secret 1, it's very annoying because then I have to create a new one again, and I'm going to call that one secret 2. Alright, so I've got also the second one here, and so I also got the second one. Okay, so there's the RLIP or whatever. So I'm just gonna also put it in parentheses, so don't forget the account names. That's also sometimes a problem. Okay, great. So now we are all set to start here. So now these two accounts can send each other XRP. So I'm just going to do that. The RLIP account, just, well, so the other way, the RPKK3 whatever account sends XRP to this account. So 10 XRP and just a even a fun memo here. Hello, you can't do anything about me sending you XRP. Oh, right. Yep, so let's do this transaction here, and you can see here now this transaction has gone through, and whatever the first account wants to do, it doesn't work, so he does receive the XRP here, which is usually okay. But for example, some people, for example like Jet McCaleb, could use the feature of deposit authorization, I guess. But let's go on, because people spam his account sometimes. But let's go on here. Okay, and now we're gonna have to enable deposit authorization. So for example, if the account RLP doesn't like that anybody can send it XRP, then this account can enable depositor authorization doing a account set command, more or less. So sending an account set object to the XRP ledger. And the structure is very simple, so I'm just gonna copy that here. So the base structure I'm going to copy. So I just prepared some code here. I'm just going to paste it here. So here are the objects which are being sent to the XRP ledger. And it's an account set. So for which, alright, and we're doing it for this account here. So the RLP account. So I'm just going to copy that and add the RLP in the account. The fee is 12. The secrets I'm going to remove. The domain we don't want. And we have to set the flag. So in this case, the flag would be well, we quickly have to look at account set. You can see here under the flags, we want the deposit off. So in this case, decimal value 9. So we're gonna set flag 9. Message tree, we don't want to set that. And that's the first transaction we're gonna do. So this code is not very special. Also, you can see here, I'm preparing a JSON object. Then you can see here, I'm getting the the last closed ledger. I'm signing the transaction, and then I'm submitting the transaction. So it's again, so signing transaction. So that's very important because if I'm not signing the transaction, the XRP ledger doesn't know that it's me. So the RLP account has this secret here. I'm also going to set it here. So with this one, I'm going to sign my message. So here is my message prepared for the XRP ledger. Here I am signing it. And here I am submitting it. Submitting transaction to XRP ledger. Okay? And these are the 3 steps we've got here. And right, it looks good so far. So I'm just gonna press Command S. And that's all I have to do here. And I'm just gonna open it again here. I've got it. I've got a simple React app. And as soon as I do that, oh, didn't I do an alert message? I did, yeah. And you can see here it's saying done. So I also did like lots of so there are also lots of log messages. You can see the transaction costs and all of that. I've got a test success, so meaning that it was validated and worked. And we can quickly also look at that. So my account settings have changed, updated account settings, and that is awesome. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to try again to send from this account I'm going to copy the address first. I'm going to again try to send from the second account, whatever, again, 10 XRP or something. Well, let's send the smallest unit. Oh, okay, it even allows so many zeros. I'm going to send one drop here. Again, hello, whatever, hello. And if we would try it now, confirm, it doesn't work. It says transaction failed, no permission to perform request operation. So now deposit auth is already enabled. So this account, nobody can send this account XRP unless this account authorizes it to do that. And that's the next thing we're going to do. So we're going to again have a look at the deposit pre-auth command here. And here's an example for the transactions. I'm just going to copy that again. So to quickly break it down, it just says, yep, this account wants to authorize that account, and that's it. It's that simple. So again, I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to remove the old transaction, just paste it here. So now we have the new one. So the account in this case would be the, what was it? It would be the, what was it? So, okay, great. So it would be this account here again. The RLPI account wants to allow somebody something. So it's this account here. This account allows the other one. So now I have to get the other address. So it would be the RPK, I think. That one here. The flags, I'm just going to remove the flags. The sequence I also want to specify, and the fee. Done. So these are the 4 fields I'm going to set right now, and I'm going to press Command S, and then it's being deployed again. And now I'm just going to look what it's going to do. So it's again, let's see what it says here. Okay. So the source account doesn't exist, so maybe we did a mistake, so it doesn't look good. Okay. One more time. Authorize that one. Account is the RLP. This also looks good. Deposit pre-auth. Yeah, that looks good actually. I'm gonna try it again here. Right. Okay, great. I think, yeah, it worked. So now it has confirmed. So we've got here prepare transaction instructions, blah, blah. And now we're just going to look into XRP toolkit. And you can see here that we authorize the account RPKK3X6. And this account here sees that it was authorized by the other account. So on both ends know about it now, and now I can try it again. So this account, the whatever, the RP whatever account sends XRP now to that one here. Whatever, I'm gonna also add a memo again, hello. And we are good to go. And it works, right. So yeah, that's how deposit authorization on the XRP ledger works. Again, first you have to do a account set transaction saying, okay, right, I don't want anybody to send me XRP or anything else. I think it should be globally, so it's for all the assets, I think. I would have to look it up though. Right, to sender. Right, I think it's for all assets, so for XRP and also for issued currencies. And right, and only accounts we allow, so deposit pre-auth, only accounts we allow that can send us XRP or other issued assets. Right, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and see you in the next video.